The Chandler company has operated at the international freight market since 1996. Since then, Chandler has expanded from a minor freight forwarder into a major international level company offering an integrated solution of any freight-related issues. Chandler is a network company with its representation offices operating in Belgium, Germany, USA, Belarus, Russia, and the Central Asian countries. During the years of its operation, Chandler has introduced a reliable system of oversized and complex cargo delivery from any part of the world to the final customers. Annually, Chandler delivers to its customers over 5,000 equipment units, over 500 oversized industrial equipment units, and over 20,000 light vehicles. We have been the pioneers and leaders in implementing some complex projects, including the cargo delivery patterns never employed by any company before. For example, Chandler has been the first company to deliver to Russia the unique Rolls-Royce gas piston power generating units. Each of the above units includes a 4.5-meter high, 70-ton engine, a generator, and 730 cubic meters of associated equipment. The above equipment shall require applying the special delivery and transshipment terms and implementing an individual transportation pattern, including the use of special purpose vehicles and the reconfiguration of power transmission lines along the cargo traffic route. Another example of Chandler's high proficiency in the area of cargo delivery and logistics could be as follows. Delivering a 52-ton steam boiler from Austria to the Moscow region on the DDP terms takes us exactly 9 days. We have also had the vast experience of serving our customers at the remote Russian regions, such as the Yamal-Nenets Autonomous District, the Khanty-Mansiysk Autonomous District, and the Komi Republic. With no sound highways and standard transportation infrastructure available, we deliver the cargo at the above regions according to the schedule due to selecting the cargo traffic routes accurately. Chandler's high proficiency and experience have received recognition when the company has become the winner in the tender for provision of transportation services under the Russian National Health Project, supervised by Mr. Dmitry Medvedev. Chandler and its partners have delivered the construction modules to build the modern medical centers at the cities of Astrakhan, Cheboksary, Krasnodar, Chelyabinsk, Krasnoyarsk, and Khabarovsk. Within 6 months, 1,093 oversized modules and 193 European trailers with associated equipment and materials were delivered from Germany and Turkey at the construction sites. 37 vessels were chartered, over 50,000 tons of cargo were transferred, and over 6,000 customs and transport documents were issued. The above project has involved dozens of our highly experienced employees in Russia and Germany on a permanent basis. Building a modern cardiovascular surgery center in the city of Penza was a pilot project activity completed in several months.
Модульный характер этих центров действительно представляет собой новое слово в строительстве медицинских центров в нашей стране. Достаточно быстро, при наличии финансирования, можно какой-то блок изъять и новый поставить.
Today, commercial potential of the above orders and social relevance of our work are of equal importance for us. In particular, the above medical center will serve not only the Penza residents, but also residents of 8 neighboring regions, which makes the total of 10.5 million people. Our experience has allowed handling some more and more ambitious problems. In particular, Chandler has been awarded a contract from the General Electric to deliver 15,000 tons of equipment for constructing the 2 new power generating units at the Surgut Crest 2 electric power plant. For that purpose, a unique cargo freight pattern has been designed and introduced. the equipment manufactured in 15 countries worldwide has been delivered at the Surgut construction site using several routes. The cities of Antwerp, Belgium and Ulsan, Korea have been used as the cross-point ports. At the above ports, the extra heavy oversized equipment was loaded at the Beluga ocean vessels equipped with cranes of the total carrying capacity of 360 tons. Then the three vessels sailed the Northern Sea route via Murmansk and Vladivostok to the Gulf of Ob at the Hamburg city port. The relevant navigation permission was signed by the Russian Prime Minister Mr. Vladimir Putin. 10 River Sea vessels were also involved in the above project. One of them, carrying about 700 tons of equipment, sailed the Northern Sea route to the Gulf of Ob and then the Ob River to reach the city of Surgut. The other 9 vessels sailed the inland waters to reach the city of Perm, with any general oversized cargo delivered directly at the construction site by highway transport. Another 200 European trailers loaded with general cargo moved directly from Antwerp to the city of Surgut. At the outer harbor of the Hamburg city port, the gas turbines, 279 ton and 5 meter in diameter each, and 272-ton generators were reloaded from the Beluga ocean vessels at the special ro-ro towboats. The latter sailed the Ob River to reach the city of Surgut and the dock on the Chorny River. Especially for unloading any heavy equipment, Chandler has constructed a ro-ro dock and 1 kilometer-long heavy-duty highway. From the dock, the turbines and generators were delivered at the construction site using the special-purpose multi-axis platforms. The above transportation option proved being the optimal one for the above heavy equipment. And a 250-ton fixed crane was used for reloading 30 parts of heat recovery boilers up to 130 ton and 26 meter long each from the towboats at the multi-axis telescopic platforms. Chandler fulfilled the contractual provisions in 6 months. The selected transportation partner allowed to reduce the schedule considerably and to decrease the related costs. For the first time in the history of navigation, an afloat customs surveillance zone was established, which made it possible to perform the customs clearance of any cargo delivered at the city of Surgut by marine vessels within a short period of time. The Chandler team worked in close cooperation with the energy specialists to set the priorities in delivery of certain equipment. Neither the need for obtaining numerous permits and licenses, nor the severe weather sometimes impeding with the river transportation of cargo could affect the successful project implementation. Meanwhile, Chandler can always fight any difficulty standing in its way. For example, an unreliable old bridge could make the movement of a multi-axis trailer train with extra heavy equipment a high risk. However, using a flybridge system will strengthen any bearing structures and secure the overall safety of operation. Also, we know how to deal with transferring any oversized cargo through the low-standing man-made structures such as pipelines and gas pipelines. A hydraulic train system will allow handling the above problems plus spinning the cargo a full 360 degrees. The technical capability of a hydraulic train system will allow using it directly at the site of installing any heavy power equipment, turbines, generators and transformers. Chandler has traveled a long distance being art and part in some major projects implying the high shipping standards. Even a minor failure of the transportation chain could endanger a state-level project preconditioning the well-being of millions of people. Implementing a project on the delivery of power equipment to build the 2 new power generating units at the Surgut Gras 2 electric power plant has opened the new development prospects for Chandler. Now, the Chandler representation office in the city of Surgut is its outpost in Western Siberia, offering a full range of services on transportation, storage and customs clearance of any general and extra heavy oversized cargo. An advantageous geographic location of the city of Surgut will allow using the city as a logistics center. Via the Ok, Irtysh, Tobol river basins, cargo can be transported along the whole northern latitudinal corridor and to the southern regions, Kazakhstan included as well. The Chandler specialists have designed the relevant cargo delivery options. If necessary, our specialists may independently investigate the river sections not included into the state river register, carry out the necessary investigation and develop the projects on construction of highways, bridges, temporary docks and temporary railroad bed. In 2009, the Chandler's operation was highly appreciated at the 8th International Investment Forum in the city of Sochi. As a result, an agreement on cooperation in the transport area under preparation of the 2014 Olympic Games has been signed between Chandler and the Krasnodar Region Administration. In our operation, we have followed the highest sectoral standards of efficiency, reliability and innovation. All the above has allowed us working efficiently, staying in advance of the competitors and becoming the relevant tender winners. We are glad to offer you the cooperation combined with the Chandler's potential and many years of experience. Let us hope that together we will implement any non-standard and complex projects. Chandler will become your efficient and reliable partner.